How's all face? It's Kat here, and it is literally 4 in the morning. I just got home from being out with friends all night. We were hanging out, having some fun dancing, and I got home and I was ready to go to bed, and then I saw this waiting for me at the door. And you know, your girl cannot resist. I need to open this, but I need to open it on camera. So like, I'm sorry if I look a hot mess, but it is mystery box opening time, guys. Like, I know I look crazy right now, but I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get to opening up this baby so I can go to sleep. I am so excited to see what everything is. I have not watched any other videos on this because I didn't want the surprise to be ruined. I'm just really excited about this. So we're just gonna get the box open. I got the smaller box this time. One, because the bigger one was, it was sold out. And two, I did not want to spend too much money. I'm trying to save money right now. So I got the cheaper box, but these are just so much fun. I couldn't resist getting it again. So we get the box, we open it up here. It's got lovely pink. This is the Valentine's Day packaging, and oh my gosh. Okay, so I have a pop socket. It is a red one. I might give this one to a friend since I have the pink and black one. We will see. I'll think about it. We have 3 liquid lipsticks, and we have 1 cream lipstick, and a Supreme Frost. And the Supreme Frost, oh, well, I got mint condition, and if you remember last time, I really wanted to get mint condition and I didn't, and a lovely subscriber actually traded me my dark horse for mint condition. But now I have another one, so I might give this to a friend or maybe see if anyone else wants to do another swap. I don't know, we'll figure it out, but you know, hey, I got mint condition. I really love it. I'm gonna get the one I already have so I can swatch it, so I can leave this one intact. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so a little dilemma. My battery died, so I had to wait a few minutes, so now it's like 4:30. I did get a little tiny peek of what shades I got, but I didn't look at the colors, so we're good. I didn't swatch them, so we're all gonna live swatch them together. But this is mint condition. It's just a beautiful mint color. Oh, I love it so much. You just go in and like, it's so pigmented, and I'm gonna learn to swatch better so I don't get yelled at again like last time. But like, look how pretty. It's so stunning. I actually think I'm gonna give this to my friend Summer because I know she loves Jeffree just as much as I do, and I know she would love to have one of his highlighters. So this is mint condition. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm so excited that I have one, and now I get to have one with my friend. It's gonna be great. It's so cute. So the next we're gonna do is the one cream lipstick, the lip ammunition that we have, and this is in the shade Popsicle Dream. Ooh, it is a purple. I love a good purple lip. It is in the normal bullet. It is really cute, and it is just a beautiful pastel purple shade. Oh my god, I love it. Let's do a little swatcheroo here. It is a beautiful, just beautiful purple. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love that. That is a beautiful, beautiful purple. Yeah, I like that. It's kind of, yeah, it's like not a true purple. It kind of matches my hair a little bit. Ooh, that's cute. I will be wearing this a lot. I am very excited for that. I don't wear cream lipsticks as often as I used to, but I need to start because I was wearing one the other day in a video, and like, it was so comfortable. Oh my god, I love it. This is such good. Ooh, we got another purple, which kind of matches my eye makeup right now. Ooh, I'm about it. Also, I'm sorry I don't have lashes on. Oh my gosh, like, this is from, I think, the recent collection, right? That was, yeah, this is from the recent. Oh, this looks so pretty. This looks so pretty with the pinky purple shade underneath it. This is beautiful. This is stunning. This is in the shade Scandal. So now I have, yeah, I got another one of the ones from the latest collection of lipsticks. So this is like a mauvey purple pink. That is stunning. That is, ooh. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is such a pretty color. I am so obsessed. Like, this matches my like eye makeup right now. Like, I would, oh, this is gonna be, I wish I had this for the video I just filmed. I literally just filmed a video swatching all my pink lipsticks I own. And now I have another one. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this. This is, oh, you guys are going to be seeing this a lot. I'm going to be, ooh. Now I'm glad I did not buy that when they first launched. I only bought Karma and What was the other one I bought? It was Karma and Hi, how are you? I couldn't remember the name. I'm so sleepy, guys. I'm sorry. The next shade is another one from the family collection. And I think at this rate, I think I have almost all of them. I think I'm missing one. I'm missing the red from the family collection. So maybe I'll start looking on that so I can have the full like color, because I love how pastel the lighting is. Oh my god, but this one is Diva. And again, another one I could have used for the pink lipstick collection. Okay, well, by the way, that video is coming in the next couple days. But we have another hot pink lipstick, which is right up my alley. Oh my god, it is a bright, bright, beautiful hot pink, and I love... Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. I love that. Yes, I am about this. That is so cute. I cannot even... Oh, I'm going to be wearing that a lot. Ooh. So this is Diva. This is, you know, after his dog. Oh my god, I'm so excited because now I have Delicious. I have Baby Daddy. And I have a Diamond. I have the Diamond one. So there's like, I think I need 2 more? Let's see, I have 3. Yeah, I just need 2 more. Ooh, okay, this is exciting. I'm gonna get the full family collection. I've already decided it's gonna happen. I'm gonna get them because they are too freaking cute. Now we have one last lipstick. Again, this is the small box, so there's not a lot, but this is in the shade Jeffree who? Oh, I'm so excited. I know I really wanted this one too. So, oh my, yeah, no, maybe I'll go look online too for the rest so I can have the rest of these ones. Oh my god, because I love this packaging. This packaging is so pretty. I still regret not getting the pink holiday collection because that one was gorgeous. But I know this one is just like, yeah, it's like a terracotta color, I think. And this one is just, again, another beautiful, like, pinky red shade. Yeah, it's like a terracotta shade. That is cute. Oh my god, look at these. All these colors. I'm gonna wear the crap out of these. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I am literally... Okay, this is good. This was good. This was good. So I am so happy with everything I got. These pinks are literally everything. Oh my god, like, this round was so much better than the last round because the last round had a lot of nudes. Like, don't get me wrong. I loved everything I got. But, like, I don't wear a lot of nudes. I am wearing Delicious that I got last time, and it's beautiful. And I'm like, I'm about it. I love it. Don't get me wrong. But, like, this is more of my color range. Like, we got a purple, we have a pink, we have a hot pink, and then we got this, like, deep red. Like, those are all definitely cat shades. I love them so much. And I finally got, you know, the mint condition. And I probably am going to give this to my friend Summer because I know she loves Jeffree as much as I do. And I know she would love to have a highlight of his because I know I don't think she has one. I'm pretty sure she does not have a skin frost. So, like, I will bring her this. I think it'll make her really happy. It was her birthday last week, so we went to Disney. There'll be a vlog coming of that later, but if you guys would like, please comment down below and wish her a happy birthday because I love her, and you know, it's just another little birthday perk for her. So yeah, no, I'm so happy with this. Like, I got more of the family collection. I got more of the last Christmas collection, so like, now I feel the need that I need to go on Depop or everywhere else and just buy the rest because I need all the packaging to match now, like especially the baby pink packaging. I love the baby pink packaging. I also really want to get my hands on, was it last year's Christmas collection, which had like the pink glitter going down. I regret not getting any of that so bad. I should have bought it, but like I don't even know why I didn't. I'm just broke. But yeah, my battery's dying again because I didn't let it charge enough, so we will do an exit. Like, I love this box. I'm glad I got the smaller one this time because your girl's just trying to save money. And like, I did get the t-shirt last time. I loved it. But like, I don't wear t-shirts a lot out, so even though it was great and soft, I didn't need another one. So I'm just really happy with what I got. It was literally the perfect box. And I hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below what your favorite item I got was, or like what your favorite item you got if you also got a mystery box. But yeah, I think this round was really great, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that'd be really rad of you guys. And just thank you guys so much. I'm sorry I'm kind of sleepy here, but I hope you stay lovely. Bye!